Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a CarX Street mod on your phone, guys. This doesn't require you to jailbreak or anything like that, which is super cool, and it's updated and everything. So hop with me into a tutorial where I'm going to present you guys with an opportunity to get a modded CarX Street onto your device. So it's super cool, guys, and this is a fully working opportunity for you guys. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys how to get super rich in this game, guys. So let's go. Guys, so as you can see, we got all the money in the game. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So the first step, guys, is go to this website right here called ZooMods, and then go to the search bar and simply type CarX Street. And as you can see, CarX Street mod. So now we're going to download it, and we're just going to wait for it to download, and you're going to be all set. Now if you feel like spending money, all you got to do, guys, is go to the search bar, type in CarX Street, and you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So as you can see, guys, wild. I am not paying for that. That's not my lifestyle. So simply go to ZooMods and you can download this crazy CarX Street modded version, guys. This is super cool, so definitely go ahead and try it out. It's super awesome, as you can see, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out. It's super cool. As you can see, I got like tons of money and everything like that. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, fully working, guys. So as you can see, I'm rich as heck. Oh my gosh, so try it out today, get the word out. See you guys in another video, and peace out.